Are you a triathlete who struggles with having enough energy to get through the day? Do you drag through your tough workouts and then find yourself raiding the pantry? If this sounds like you, stick around and I'll reveal the secrets that every triathlete needs to know to train hard and recover harder. First things first, improper nutrition is one of the biggest causes of perpetual fatigue among triathletes. But before we get to that, let's talk about the other reason you're always tired: recovery time. As Type A triathletes, our inclination is to push harder, aiming for rapid improvement with relentless training. However, the real secret to sustainable progress lies in allowing our bodies plenty of time to recover after demanding sessions. Attempting to smash big workouts every day is a surefire route to mental or physical burnout. It's essential to schedule adequate recovery time between big sessions. Personally, I designate Fridays as either a very easy day or a complete rest day. This ensures I enter big weekend training sessions fully refreshed and primed for performance. When structuring your workout regimen, adhering to the 80-20 rule is a tried and true approach. We'll delve into this shortly. But before we get to that, let's address the foundation of recovery: nutrition. Nutrition for many triathletes often centers around recovery after workouts. But before we can delve into the essential components of post-workout nutrition, we need to address our pre-workout fueling. Fueling before your workouts is a crucial component often overlooked by many triathletes, yet its absence can significantly impact your performance and recovery. Without adequate pre-workout nutrition, you might find yourself feeling fatigued, ravenous, or both. During intense workouts, your body relies heavily on stored carbohydrates known as muscle glycogen. Consuming carbohydrates before exercise primes your body to utilize this fuel efficiently. This will aid your performance and replenish your depleted glycogen stores. Over time, consistently missing out on adequate pre-workout nutrition can compromise your ability to sustain high-intensity efforts. This can hinder the desired adaptations that intense workouts aim to achieve. Now that you know the importance of pre-workout fueling, you may be asking yourself, how many carbohydrates do I need? Determining your precise carbohydrate requirements can be complex, as they vary based on factors like age, sex, fitness goals, weight loss goals, and race schedule. A common recommendation is anywhere between 1 and 0.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms or 154 pounds, you might aim to consume roughly 35 to 70 grams of carbohydrates before your workout. If you're seeking tailored guidance to optimize your nutrition, I recommend checking out the Triathlon Nutrition Academy. This course provides many valuable triathlon nutrition insights aimed at boosting your performance. It has significantly helped me dial in my own triathlon nutrition needs. Our affiliate link is in the description. Now that you're fueled and ready to take on your workout, it's time to talk about recovery nutrition, right? Not so fast. Before you get to recovery nutrition, you may need to fuel during your workout. Many workouts aren't long enough or intense enough to require in-workout fueling. The body stores enough glycogen to last most people 75 to 90 minutes of intense exercise. For shorter or less intense workouts, water may suffice to stay hydrated without the need for additional fuel. However, for longer sessions or those involving high-intensity efforts, consuming easily digestible carbohydrates can help sustain energy levels and delay fatigue. Options for in-workout fueling include energy gels, sports drinks, or small snacks like bananas or energy bars. Determining the ideal timing and quantity of in-workout fueling can be complex and may require experimentation to find what works best for you. Consulting with an endurance sport dietitian can provide valuable insights and personalized recommendations to help dial in your nutrition strategy for optimal performance. Now that we've addressed both pre and during workout fueling, we're finally ready to dive into the critical topic of recovery nutrition. 4 key pillars of recovery nutrition play a crucial role in helping your body recover effectively after a workout. Consuming carbohydrate-rich foods is essential for replenishing the muscle glycogen stores depleted during your workout. These foods provide the necessary fuel to restore energy levels and support optimal recovery. Examples of carbohydrate-rich foods include whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, and fruits like bananas and berries. Protein is vital for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue that undergoes stress during exercise. Consuming protein-rich foods post-workout provides your muscles with the necessary amino acids to facilitate recovery and promote muscle growth. Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, as well as plant-based options like tofu, lentils, and beans. Micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals, are essential for various physiological processes in the body, including recovery and repair of tissues damaged during exercise. Consuming a variety of micronutrient-rich foods such as vegetables, leafy greens, fruits, herbs, nuts, and seeds ensures that your body receives the essential vitamins and minerals needed to support overall health and performance. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining fluid balance, regulating body temperature, and supporting various metabolic processes, all of which are essential for optimal recovery. Replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes post-workout helps prevent dehydration and promotes efficient recovery. Water is the primary source of hydration, but for intense or prolonged exercise, sports drinks containing electrolytes can be beneficial in restoring electrolyte balance. Another great option for those who have a hard time eating after working out is drinking milk. Milk contains some carbohydrates, a good hit of protein, micronutrients like calcium, and it's hydrating. Though it's important to build up to eating a full meal, this is a great starting point for those who struggle to eat. By addressing all of these pillars of recovery nutrition, carbohydrates, protein, micronutrients, and hydration, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients and hydration it needs to rebuild and adapt to the demands of your workouts. Now that you've fueled properly before, during, and after your workout, you might be wondering what comes next. How do you plan your next workout effectively? This is where the 80-20 rule comes into play. The 80-20 training principle is a widely recognized framework among endurance athletes. It emphasizes the balance between easy and hard workouts to optimize training effectiveness and promote long-term performance gains. According to this principle, approximately 80% of your training sessions should be conducted at an easy conversational pace, while the remaining 20% should consist of more intense, high-effort workouts. This distribution allows for a strategic allocation of training stress, ensuring adequate recovery between hard sessions to facilitate optimal training adaptations. By dedicating the majority of your training volume to lower intensity efforts, you provide your body with the opportunity to build endurance, improve aerobic capacity, and enhance overall fitness levels without overstressing the system. Conversely, incorporating periodic high-intensity workouts into your training regimen challenges your body to push beyond its current limits, stimulating physiological adaptations that lead to increased speed, power, and performance. These hard efforts may include intervals, tempo runs, hill repeats, or other structured workouts designed to elevate heart rate and challenge muscular endurance. In essence, the 80-20 rule empowers athletes to train smarter, not just harder, by prioritizing the quality and specificity of their workouts over sheer volume or intensity. By adopting this balanced approach to training, you'll not only improve your current fitness levels, but also lay the foundation for long-term success and sustainability in your athletic pursuits. To recap, if you're struggling with energy, you need to 1. Give yourself enough time to recover. You accomplish this by 2. Implementing the 80-20 rule. And 3. You need to optimize your pre, during, and post-workout nutrition. Following these guidelines will ensure you have lots of energy and injury resilience. If you want to learn more about how to stay injury-free as a triathlete, check out this next video.